In this video, we will cover some special configuration that is necessary when using Buyout with Sage 100 Contractor. This consists of two tasks. The first task is to grant access for Buyout to access your Sage 100 Contractor database. The second task is to set up users and groups within Sage 100 Contractor. We'll begin the process of Task 1 by starting the database administration program as part of Sage 100 Contractor. Connect with an admin account. And then click on Advanced Settings and then Advanced SQL Server Settings. If the box to limit access to this server instance to approved applications is not checked, then you do not need to proceed with the remaining steps of Task 1. Simply proceed to Task 2 of setting up users and groups. If this box is checked, then you've identified that you want to limit access to your Sage 100 Contractor database server to specific applications. In this case, Buyout needs to be listed as one of those applications. Click on Edit Approvals, and if you do not see Buyout listed in the list of applications, then click on Edit Advanced Restrictions. The list that you see here is simply a more technical version of the same list of applications on the previous screen. In order to add Buyout, simply go to the documentation and scroll down to this block of text here. We're going to add this text to the end of this document. So we simply scroll to the end, locate a blank line before the last line, select this text, copy, go back to the text document, and click Paste. Now this has been added, so we can click File, and then Save, and then close this window. We can now go back to the Edit Approvals window and confirm that we see Buyout for Sage Estimating listed. Click OK, and then close Database Administration. And that completes Task 1. Task 2 would be to start Sage 100 Contractor. And here we are going to set up users and groups. To do this, you must log into your Sage 100 Contractor database as an administrative user. So make sure to check the Open Company with Administrator Rights. Once logged in, go to the Administration tab, go to Security, and then Groups. Go to the next blank row and type in a group number such as 999 and make sure that the group name is API. Click Save, and then we go to Administration, Security, and then Users. For each user that will be using Sage Buyout to create commitments, you will need to add them to the API group. Simply do this by typing in or selecting the API group that you recently created. And do this for each user that needs to have access from Buyout. Click Save, and that completes Task 2.